Millie, and I'm back with another video. This video is long awaited, okay? About a year or two ago, I did a video on iced coffee, and it kind of went crazy. And so I've been doing something a little different. So I wanted to show you guys who love espresso what I do to get that extra punch in that homemade iced macchiato, okay? So I got a few ingredients here. I'm gonna make this really quick, okay? It's simple, just like the last video. I'm gonna link that one in the cards above, but I'm gonna tell you how to make a strong espresso iced macchiato with just 4 to 5 ingredients, okay? So let's get right into it. As you can see before, you guys, I'm gonna roll that video of how I prepared my espresso. I do use an instant espresso here. I use an instant espresso, and I like my coffee strong. I like it good. I like it to taste like Starbucks. So I use that instant espresso. I'm gonna play that video. You probably saw it in the front, but I got it here, and it's about a little bit over a tablespoon and a half. I'm gonna add my ice, okay? Okay, got my ice in there. I'm gonna take a little bit of coffee. You do not have to use this coffee. I'm using the Starbucks medium roast, but however, you do not have to use this. I'm gonna use it right now just to add a little cohesiveness to make it pretty smooth out some of that espresso. Just a little bit, y'all. I'm a strong coffee drinker. This is kind of backwards, but I'm gonna go ahead and add my caramel in. It never stays stuck on the side anyway, so I'm adding my caramel. Just like that. I might need some more because this is pretty strong. But I'm gonna just mix it up. That looks so good, okay? And the espresso makes it kind of thicker. I know when I just had the coffee with just this Starbucks coffee, it's kind of thin, but when you add the espresso, it makes it nice and rich. So let's taste this and see if we need some more creamer or not. Ooh, that's the flavor that I want. It just needs a little bit more creamer. Normally, if I don't want mine too sweet, I'll add a little creamer and a little milk. Woo! Y'all, this is no exaggeration. This is so good, and you get that strong espresso flavor. I'm all about the strong flavor with a nice sweetness to it. This tastes so freaking good, y'all. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm gonna finish this, y'all. This is so good. Oh, Starbucks, who get my money? And y'all saw that I did this without a Keurig, without a coffee machine, just my microwave, 30 seconds, instant espresso, and you have a winner, y'all. It's so freaking good. Like I said, this is the Supreme Bustelo. I'm gonna let y'all get a look at that. So yes, this is the Supreme Bustelo, and it tastes amazing. So you can use this, or you can use the other regular Bustelo. This one is so freaking good. These are my ingredients. Let me put it up so you guys can see. If you want to add milk or milk alternative, you can. But y'all, this is all you need. Get you some ice. It is so freaking good, okay? So don't say that I didn't put y'all on. This should get 1 million views because it tastes so freaking good. It tastes so freaking good. So if you guys want to omit this coffee right here, the Starbucks coffee, you can, and just use these. This Starbucks coffee kind of brings everything together, makes it cohesive, gives you that espresso Starbucks amazing taste, y'all. This is so good. Let me know if you guys are going to pick this little guy up and upgrade your iced caramel macchiato, okay? Espresso lovers, I ain't lying to y'all. If you like iced caramel macchiatos and you like espresso, this was kind of weak for you, go and get y'all some instant espresso and make your coffee drink, okay? That's all I have. I don't want this video to be forever, but I can keep ranting, raving all day. All day, because it's amazing. So let me know if you guys have any other tricks that you use for your Starbucks coffee hacks. What y'all using? Go ahead, try this out. Let me know what y'all think. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Become a part of the Millie Rock family, y'all. I hope to see y'all on the next video, and I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.